So, before we start your training, I want to talk about, like, we call it housekeeping, or the guidelines, the rules of how we train and how we work together. So, every week on Wednesday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, there's a number below. You can call in and you can ask questions to me and our team live. I do that every single week, so you have complete access to us in live in person. I think it's an awesome tool and a way you can learn and hear from other people and their questions. You can access this from now till forever. It's yours to always jump on. Number two is, if you have a question, below there's a link. You fill out that form and you ask your question. You know, how we build this training out and make it so special, dynamic, and unique is through you guys. You know, we first build our training, right? It's really, really rock star. But then as you guys ask questions, we say, oh man, we have to add that to the training. So you guys really help us build something awesome and dynamic. So you ask your question in that form. We'll get back to you in 24 hours with an answer, and then we'll actually put it in the training. If you can't find your question in the training, you can ask it there, or of course ask it on our conference calls every Wednesday. Next, Facebook group, the best tool you'll have to access other people beside you training, or who have trained, and trainers in the industry who are showing off their work, that you guys can just connect with each other. Great way to learn and just really build your community of people doing what you're doing, right? It's an awesome, awesome tool. Make sure you click that if you haven't already. Then we have a WhatsApp group. Usually that group is full, but we try to kick people out who aren't active in it to bring new people in, as weird as that sounds, but we have to, because we want to offer you value and learning in the industry and training that you're doing. So that's just a few things before we start that's really, really important to us, how we communicate with you and how we help each other. So remember, Facebook group, WhatsApp, awesome tools, conference call, 10 a.m. Pacific time. It'll be me and my team. You can ask questions. We can collaborate and talk about how we build your business, questions about procedural stuff, anything that you need that's not in the training. And make sure it's not in the training when you ask it, because I just don't like to go on every week and answer the same questions when it's in the training. But if you have a really unique, dynamic question, you can ask it there. Man, I hope you guys have an awesome time in your training. Thank you for believing in me and my products and my training system. Let's have some fun. Let's kill it. Let's build your empire.